Got a really nice glow. A little bitty baby eyeshadow quad. I don't need a million little things, which is why I canceled this subscription. What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about a lot of things here, usually makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We have the occasional unboxing, but I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. We do have an active giveaway going on right now. I will leave that link down in the description below. It is a monthly subscription. They have multiple subscriptions. However, if you live in Canada, you can only get this one. I don't fucking know why, which is why I kind of don't like them. So the design of this bag is nice. It feels nice. It's pink, it's pretty, it's summery. We're gonna see what's inside. I have not looked because I was nervous. So it does come with a card. And it does not give you any information on your glam bag picks, which is my biggest issue with this. I feel like I've complained about it enough now, so we're just gonna dive in and see what they sent me. Okay, so the first thing is an eyeliner. This is the AM to PM retractable eyeliner from Lottie London. I already have this. I've never actually used it. I'm not gonna open it. It's probably gonna get added to my giveaway. Next, we have a lipstick. Ooh, a NARS lipstick. Not bad, not bad. I don't think I even have any NARS lipsticks, so this is interesting. I've heard good things. Oh, you know what? I did have a NARS lipstick once. I had the Orgasm lipstick, and I hated it. Okay, so this is a pretty color. I don't hate that. That looks like something that I might like. Let's swatch it here. That's pretty. I will definitely have to keep you posted on this. I do like that it is a small size. This is much more attainable for me to finish. So probably gonna keep this. Okay, what else do we got? Oh, so now we have green tea water bomb. So this is a moisturizer. I've never heard of this before, so we'll just have to try. I do always use these. And watch for my Emtpies videos. I will leave those linked down below. That's when I do my reviews on any of these little products I get in Ipsy. So you'll see it in the future. I just don't know when. So that is 3 items so far. You do get 5 items in every Ipsy bag. The next one is a little bitty baby eyeshadow quad. That's cute. That's super teeny. So there are 4 shades in this. This is by PYT Beauty. I don't know what that's even, I've never heard of this brand before. The packaging's super cheap feeling. Like it's just plastic. There's no mirror. No problem. We are going to swatch these and see what I think. So there's 2 matte shades. Okay, that's the 2 matte shades. Not terrible. We'll have to see how they look when I use them on my eyes. Then there are 2 shimmer shades. This gold shade's a lot more rough feeling, and this rose gold shade's actually very soft and buttery. So I kind of like that. That swatched really nicely. That one, yeah. I will definitely have to use this. Does anyone want to see this in a video? Let me know. I like cute little makeup items. I like to try them. I like to tell you if they're any good. And we do have one more item here. This is a highlighter from, oh, bubble wrap, nice. Okay, so this is a highlighter by St. Lux, Rose Quartz. It's another brand I haven't heard of. So that's it right there. Has a mirror, cool. Oh, and you know what? This looks almost identical to the highlight that I have from Lovecraft Beauty, except the package, just a different label. So that's a really pretty highlight. I'll definitely have to put that to the test and see how I feel about it. Got a really nice glow. It looks more golden though than it does on camera. Looks a little whiter on my hand and on here. So we have a highlight, we have a moisturizer, we have an eyeliner that I'm never gonna use, We have this teeny tiny little eyeshadow quad that is pretty darn cute, and we have a NARS lipstick. Is this worth how much money I spent? Probably. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed today's video. Overall, I don't hate it, but I really don't love it at all. Like at all. Meh. I could have passed. I could have lived without all these things. It would not have bothered me. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I absolutely love hanging out with you guys, and I enjoy all of your continued support. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Have a great day, and bye for now. I know I was a little bit more bitchy than normal.